Hey you guys, welcome to PolishedByTesia. So today I'm going to show you how to do these beautiful Fulani braids. Start off with my Bobby Boss hair, and I'm going to be using 11 packs for this hairstyle. This Bobby Boss hair does not come pre-stretched, so you will have to pre-stretch it yourself. Take my paddle brush and just comb the ends and work my way up. So I'm going to start with the teeniest, tiniest piece. You can also get this rack from Amazon. I'll have it listed in the description box below. I do fill up both of the racks, but just for this video purposes, I'm just going to keep it. I'm going to blow out her roots a little bit more. I'm going to part her down the middle, and then I'm going to part her right above her arch of her eyebrows. Use the 24-hour edge tamer by Evian just to clean up my section just a little bit. You're gonna see me add this product every time I want my lines really straight. Section in the front should be half and half, so they'll be even on both sides. But I see other braiders braid on the edge first, so whatever you are comfortable with. I also have another video on Tribalbraids. Click to watch the video here. A little spritz. It's only because of my hands, because my hands get really sweaty. So the first layer is looking pretty good. I braid the first cornrow on one side and then the other side. Then that's why I add another cornrow just to see if the lines meet up right. Because sometimes with middle parts, people have removable scalps. So like you can part a really perfect middle part, and then when it's time to braid, like it looks really, really uneven. That's why you have to make sure that you braid on each side before you continuously braid, and then you have to take out all the braids. and you can see how uneven it looks. But when I start braiding, you're gonna start seeing that it's really straight. That's why it's so tricky to do a middle part. Like, it's really tricky. If you do the dipping motion like this, your ends will be a lot straighter. I always measure the braid first and then braid or crisscross the string around the braid. Tie it at the end, but don't tie it too tight. Please like and or subscribe to my channel if you want more videos from me.